This video will guide you through the process of replacing the L-TWOO dual control shift lever bracket cover. Fold back the shift lever bracket cover. Cut off the old cover. Ensure the logo side of the new cover faces outward. Insert the new cover from the brake lever side. Use a long-handled hex tool to expand the cover from the brake lever side. Then fit and adjust the cover to complete the replacement. Thank you for watching this video.